Welcome back to another video. Now we are at Badbury Rings. You can see that we've got blue skies. We couldn't ask for a nicer day. I do apologise to my viewers if it's a little bit windy and you do get a bit of noise on the microphone, but we'll do our best to make sure that you enjoy the review of the BK10S Pro model. It's a Hitway bike. We've reviewed Hitways before, but overall it's got hydraulic disc brakes. We've got puncture resistant tyres, full suspension system, and we've got a lovely 70 Nm torque motor. All of this we'll cover in today's review, and we'll see or not whether it's for you. But before we get into it, I would like to mention how this bike is completely road legal to use in the UK. So Hitway have made a difference to their previous videos and models and thought about the UK customers and clientele. So it has 250 watt motor and it will assist you up to 15.5 miles an hour and has no throttle. So it is just pedal assistance for this bike. Really nicely thought about the UK market. A link to the product will be in the description down below. But let's start at the front of the bike and we'll work our way from the front, and I'll show you how to fold it and also how to remove the battery. And you're probably thinking, where's the battery? You've got to wait and find that out. So at the front of the bike, again, you're probably already anticipating what I'm going to do, but my favorite part of any e-bike review is the bell. But for this particular bell, it's not just a traditional plastic clip that you lift up. It's this. They thought about this, a little bit of metal here, and it's on a spring, and then you've got a really nice dinging sound. To turn the bike on, you're just going to press and hold the power button. Really nice display. They thought about colourful display, so we've got orange and white and black. So we've also got a Bluetooth app that you can download for the Hitway. We've got 5 bars, which each bar represents 20% at the top. Be nice if Hitway could think about adding a percentage symbol so you can see exactly what charge is left on the bike. But they have thought about UK customers and they have put the bike in miles an hour, so you can see exactly what speed you're doing. But 25 kilometers is equivalent to 15.5 miles an hour. And as you can see, I've only ridden this bike a couple of miles, and I rode it up to Badbury Rings to do today's review, and it has handled itself really well. And it's something that I will recommend, but I recommend you watch the full video before we go into it. So the first thing that I'm going to be showing today is how that you can fold this bike up in half of its size. So what I'm going to do is you're going to have a clip here. So you want to just lift this clip up and pull it towards you, and then you're going to pull it out. Okay, so it can be a little bit stiff to do at first, but once that's out, I always recommend doing it towards you. Just going to pull it towards you. Oh, I stepped in a hole there, as you saw, viewers. But once it's towards you, the bike is folded up in half of its size. And then obviously to reverse it, but before we reverse it, if you come around here, you'll see that this is actually where the battery is. So you can actually remove the battery from the frame. So to remove the battery, all you're going to do is twist it clockwise to the bike. So once you've twisted it, you'll see that the pin disappears. So this is a great safety feature that Hitway's thought about in their model. One thing, there is a little bit of clicking on the bike, but that's just because the frame's apart. Not to worry. So take the key out and then put the key somewhere safe. So you're going to then, there's a handle here, so just going to lift that handle up. And this is a 48 volt 15 amp lithium ion battery, so it's very lightweight, very portable. So it's ideal if you live in a flat or somewhere where you can't charge your bike externally. You can just remove this from the bike and go and take this into a cafe, your apartment, wherever, and you can expect between about 47 to 70 miles, but that depends on how heavy you weigh, type of conditions of the road you're going to be riding on, whether there's going to be inclines, off-road, and the weather conditions. In colder weather, you'll discover that you'll get a lot less range than advertised. So just to reverse that, to put it back in, you want to make sure the handle's facing down, and then just start it off and then reach for the handle again and then just push in. Once that's in, you're then going to reach for your key, and the key barrel underneath, just going to put the key in And then you want to make sure that this comes out completely, and then you can remove the key as well. So just reverse really to how we put it together. So you want to, I always want to try and bring it away from me, so I'll be behind the bike when doing it. And I'll probably put my hand on the back rack, and then that will fold together. Just make sure that this clip is completely in, because this is what's will secure the frame, and the frame won't come apart. And it can be a little bit stiff to do, but just push in and you'll hear it clip in. And then I'm going to put it onto its main stand. So I might have to just reposition the bike. Okay, so what I'm going to be talking about now is the tyres, both front and rear on the bike. So if we come to the front, we will see that we'll see what we have the front tyres, but they're puncture resistant as well. Very durable when you're going off-road riding, or if you do come across, and you're unfortunate enough to come across sharp glass, any sharp objects, you won't get a puncture. I've been unfortunate enough, and I'm sure all of us as riders have, so it's something that Hitway thought really well of. So to the back rack, we have it. You know, if you don't want to carry anything on your back, so a backpack, you can just tie it to here, tie it with some rope, or you could just tie an extra battery. So if you did want to double your range, you could buy an extra battery from Hitway directly, which I'll leave a link in the description, and just swap them around, so you're effectively doubling your range. So we do have a brake light, so just simply tapping the brakes and you can see it will illuminate, come on, just alert other riders if you're intending to slow down. So really nice safety feature on the bike. So we've got hydraulic disc brakes, and this just enables you to come to a quicker stop, and it's more responsive than the traditional cable brakes that you'll get on the bike, and it just gives a higher quality build that Hitway have thought about. So we've got front lockout suspension. You can adjust it to the conditions of the road, rider weight, so we can just open and close it. So just depending on your preference on how you want it. Really nice what they thought about. And we do also have suspension in the middle as well. So this just enables greater impact at the back of the bike, because the motor's at the back, which we'll come on to next. And the motor is going to be delivering the power from the back of the bike, so you need something to help with any uneven bumps in the road. So the motor delivers power of 250 watts, which is UK compliant, as we mentioned earlier on in the video. Needs to be 250 watts, 15.5 miles an hour, but this does deliver a massive amount of torque for the e-bike. So really nice what they thought about with the motor. So we're going to be going on to the front headlight now. So if we come around here, you can actually see it is very futuristic design that they've made, rather than just one traditional bulb at the front. So I'm going to be turning the e-bike on. So just switching the bike on now, and then I'm going to be turning on the front headlight. So it's quite hard to see in the daytime because of how sunny it is, and we're fortunate enough to get a lovely day in the UK, but it is very bright at night time, and just enables people to see you a bit better when you're riding in poor conditions. So I do want to talk about the wheels. I've spoken about the punch resistant tyres, but these are, unlike traditional spokes, these are got alloy rims around them, and there is no way that you're going to buckle them, even if your name's Alex, like me. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video, and what lovely weather we've had to review the Hitway e-bike. So it currently retails for £1,099. A link will be in the description down below with a promo code that can get you some money off the bike. But let's come and have a look to see how the bike is. So on my phone here, it's discounted already from £1,600 to £1,100 pretty much. And as you see, it's got an app as well that you can download, and you can see your total mileage, how much battery you got left. And this is something that you can download on the App Store, Google Play Store, and linked by Bluetooth connectivity, which will be in the manual. We spoke about everything else, so you can get optional extras, so like a bicycle rear rack, which we've got, and I would probably recommend buying an additional battery, just sticking it on the rack, and then you effectively doubled your range. You can just swap them on a longer journey. So really nice what Hitway have done. A link to the product, as I said, in the description. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and I'll see you in my next YouTube video.